Changing your payment method on Netflix is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your billing information quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Netflix website or open the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter new payment details. You will be prompted to enter your new payment method. Fill in the required information such as credit, card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment details, make sure to click on the Save button to confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Now you can enjoy your Netflix subscription with your new payment method. If you encounter any issues, refer to Netflix's Help Center for assistance.